Hello mga kaibigan, good news. Inaresto na si Chingo Estrada. Kanina lang, ngayon lang, mga 10 minutes. Papanood ko lang kasi yung video na galing sa GMA at sa ibang mga TV station, yung mga coverage nila sa huli kay Estrada sa kasong plunder. Yung graph niya kasi kahapon, anong Biyernes yata yon, nung nahuli siya nag-surrender siya nung Biyernes. Yon, available yung niya, yung kanyang kaso kasi nga lang yon, graph. Yung ngayon, plunder yung niya, kaso, so non-available daw yon. So hindi na siya makakauwi, hindi na rin siya makakaboto. Nabawasan na ang 13 hutas sa Senado. Ayan, pakinggan nyo yung kanyang briefing ni Remulla. Ayun, tingnan nyo
In a not very calm voice kasi umakit na. Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped. Okay, next.
So ano ibig sabihin? Wala
So,
na,
yes.
you honor yung ganong separation?
We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made, we will make the arrest.
So just for clarification, ang tamang term is you went there to arrest him, you served the warrant, so it means he was arrested, or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. He was read his Miranda rights, and from there he was brought here to Krame to be processed.
How about the 4 others? Did they personally surrender?
Secretary Bonoan went here, the one from DPWH, I forgot his name. He was here, sir, voluntarily surrendered.
All 4?
The 2 others voluntarily surrendered to the Sandigan Bayan.
Okay.
Sir, nasa taas pa ba si Senator Jinggoy? At
Umalis na siya as of 5 minutes ago, papunta na sila ng Sandigan.
Ano specifically ang ginawa sa kanya sa booking procedure? Can you just walk
There
us
is
through?
he started with the fingerprint, then he went through the mugshot, then he went through the medical clearance. Tinapos muna silang tatlo. Nung natapos yung tatlo, dinicide na si Secretary Bonoan was not fit to go to the Sandigan, kaya diniretso muna siya sa hospital.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada requested prior to this for a knee replacement surgery.
No,
Ano pinag-usapan ninyo?
it was a concern of his. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, wala akong kapangyarihan dyan. Ang Sandigan Bayan lang ang pwede magsabi kung pwede siya magpo-opera o hindi.
Sir, si Senate President, bakit sumama ng ganito?
I think to show solidarity with Jinggoy, he said that sasamahan kita pre, and that's his exact words, sasamahan kita.
Wala naman siyang other request, sir? Nang iba doon siya nakapit?
Wala naman.
Sir, si Bunoan, sa hospital mo, dito ba ka sa...
Hindi ko alam eh, sasabi ko kung saan, kung saan yung PNPH, yes.
Second, dito sa hospital ng
I think so. Dito ba si medical? Dito ba? Dito rin. Hospital arrest, but he has not been indicted. So, iintayin natin yung indictment niya before he's formally charged. So, he is arrested, but he is not remanded by the court to go to the hospital. It was our decision kasi nga imminent na yung stroke niya at 192. So, it was our decision na dalhin muna siya ron bago siya i-transport papunta ng Sandigan.
Sir, assurance natin na walang special treatment po kay Senator Jinggoy.
Wala talaga. Same as the others who have been co-accused. Depende kung saan sasabihin ng Sandigan, they will be dealt fairly, equally. No special privileges.
You have no idea where exactly they'll be committed at this point?
Sandigan is the only authority to say that.
Pero hindi po ba sir sa yung CJ kung saan nakakulong ng mga ibang akusado?
Again, Sandigan is the only authority na pwede magsabi kung saan.
Si Secretary Bunoan, hanggang kailan po maka-hospital arrest?
Depende sa doktor niya yan, but there is a baseline for good health. Kasi nakalagay doon condition of reasonable health. So pag bumaba yung mag-stabilize ng blood pressure niya, dadali na siya, magre-return of warrant na kami sa 5th division.
Sir, explain lang po ba na consider na arrest sa halip na surrender? Which is
No, he is arrested but not yet indicted.
Sir, but why is it not full surrender? Kasi yun yung narrative ng Jinggoy.
Hindi, surrendered siya rito.
Surrender
Okay, he surrendered siya. He's already in the custody of the police. but he has not been formally charged in front of the judge.
No, but you arrested him.
He surrendered again. Okay, he surrendered. He was read his rights. Okay, but he is not yet in the custody of the court. He's in the custody of the police. So kasi may process yan, di ba? So, haharap muna siya sa judge, sa Sandigan. Then they will say guilty or not guilty. And then after that, the process
Yes, so the
begins.
fact that you went there personally to serve the warrant.
Wait.
serving the warrant.
Are we talking about Jinggoy or? I was talking about Secretary Bunongan eh. Di ba? You didn't. Okay. You didn't clarify. Before that, we were talking about Secretary Bunongan.
Okay.
When you jumped, you didn't identify it was about Jinggoy. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear. Okay, let's go back. Balik tayo. Balik tayo. Okay, we arrested him in the Senate. He was read his rights in the Senate. He acknowledged that having understood his rights, before he went to the rostrum, I warned him, sir, anything you say will be used against you. Sabi niya, yes, I understand.
Sir, but just to follow up, bakit po siya hindi natin kino-consider yung narrative niya na surrender? Because di ba he held
Well, that's his, makikita niyo naman sa video that he was read his rights in the Senate.
Sir,
So that technically constitutes an arrest.
so sir, it's correct to say na bago po siya humarap sa press con at sinabi niyang nag-surrender siya,
He was
he's
surrendered.
already arrested.
Yes. He was read his rights.
Reaction niyo doon sa sinasabi na parang atat na atat kayong ihulihin sila, isa-isahin sila.
There is no right or wrong here. The actual warrant arrived to my possession at 2:45. At by 3:15, I was in the Senate. There is no right or wrong answer in this. As soon as I got the warrant, I acted on it.
So yung konting miscommunication o altercation sa Senate kanina with Senate President, hindi ba natin tinitignan yun, sir, na tangkang obstruction of justice?
Hindi naman. He was explaining his side that it's never happened before. But my side was that nung nakawala si Bato, you lost that privilege already of having protected custody.
Paano niya tinake yun, sir, yung statement?
We were fine. Magkasama kami rin sa taas. We were talking afterwards and he understood.
Sir, ba't niya sinasabi yun? Di ba ang sinabi naman niya talaga from the very beginning, if it's a local court that will issue the arrest warrant, susundin nila.
Yes.
Bakit may ganun?
He was insisting that nobody could be arrested inside the Senate. He was requesting that he be brought out of the Senate first.
But this is beyond 6 years that we're talking about.
Exactly. And I said, I'm sorry, sir. We do not, you lost that privilege when Senator Bato escaped. We will arrest him now on the spot.
Was it only because of the escape of Bato or because there's also a 6-year rule na if it's beyond 6 years?
Both. Usually meron kasing Senate and executive respect for the leadership. Usually ilalabas mo na yan eh. But tama na, di ba? Tama na. There's no more hiding behind the curtains of the Senate.
Sir,
So, sir, moving forward,
pinayagan niyo ba na mag-press con siya?
Wait, it's within his rights. I warned him. I did warn him. I told him, whatever you say can be used against you. And he said he understands.
so
So,
now that you're saying na that they lost that right after Senator Bato escaped, are you saying that he has
it's
also
not a right.
hand
It's not a
in
right.
the escape of Senator
It's not a right.
Bato?
It's a privilege.
Or
Okay,
is it,
it's a privilege.
So
It's a
whether
privilege.
it's a privilege or
No,
not,
I
are
am
you
not
saying that
implying.
there's a hand on the
I am
state?
not implying anything other than Senator Bato escaped and that we revoke that privilege of separation in terms of arrest. That we can arrest anybody inside the Senate building if necessary.
Sir, will that be a precedent sa mga susunod na lawmakers na ma-a-arrest?
If it is necessary, we will always do what is necessary according to the bounds of law. Remember, there is no such law as you cannot arrest anyone inside the Senate. It's a privilege granted to the legislative. So for the first time,
Because of courtesy?
it is a courtesy. But there is no such law which prevents us from arresting anyone in the Senate.
So even if it's not beyond 6 years?
I
there's no
think
such
what
law?
is, let me get this straight and you can research it for me, but I think what is not allowed is if they are in session.
Okay.
But after session, yes, all 5 are accounted for.
We will entertain last 2 questions from the media.
Sir, possibility po ba na dito siya mag-stay? Kasi yung court po ang...
It's up to the Sandigan Bayan.
It's a possibility you will welcome here, sir.
We have the Sandigan Bayan determines where he'll be incarcerated.
Pero ready ba ang custodial facility?
The custodial facility is barely livable. but meaning puro daga, puro
Wala na bang nakasenador?
it is about to be demolished because for to build a new facility. So
Wala na nagsastay doon ngayon?
I'm not familiar kung may meron ba. Meron ba?
Wala na nagsastay doon sa
Meron yata konti na lang yung mga Chinese na nahuli namin dati sa kidnapping. Na,
Bago kayo mag-iwalay ni Senator Jinggoy, ano yung last message na po sa inyo?
sabi niya, salamat pa rin. Ayun lang. And then, there was a slight altercation between me and the daughter. She gave me the dirty finger and cursed at me. I said, it's okay. I understand you're emotional.
Sino pong daughter?
I don't know which one. I don't know. But I said, it was nothing personal. Nag-emotion lahat. Okay, thank you very much. All details yan. Thank you. Thank you.
So yan ang nangyari sa Senado. Pinuntahan talaga ni John Vic Remulla si Jinggoy doon at nakikiusap nga si Cayetano na naman na hindi pwedeng arestuhin si Jinggoy doon sa loob ng Senado. Sabi na pag-usapan daw nila doon sa labas yung paghuli kay Jinggoy, pero hindi na pumayag si John Vic Remulla kasi nga yun sa nangyari kay Bato de la Rosa. Malay mo ba naman kung itatakas na naman nila yan, itatakas na naman ni Robin Padilla. So, hindi na pumayag si John Vic Remulla sa ginawa nila. So, yan. Yan ang mangyayari sa mga hudas. Kahit kailan hindi magtatagumpay ang kasamaan sa kabutihan. Good luck sa'yo, Jinggoy Estrada. Kung ako sa'yo, dapat kumampi ka na lang sa tama. Baka sakali pa na babaan yung iyong sentensya or kaya naman mas maraming taong sa'yo, maaawa sa'yo o kaya magdadasal. Ngayon talagang pinanindigan mo yung pagkahudas mo. Good luck na lang sa'yo, okay? Doon ka na lang sa sa kulungan. Hindi ka na rin makakaboto. Wala nang 13 hudas. Nabawasan na naman.